Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and you keep getting this video memory error out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Black Myth Wukong easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Black Myth Wukong's games folder. So if you have the game on Steam, the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam apps, common, Black Myth Wukong here. And now you're going to have the Black Myth Wukong exe here. You're going to right click on it, click properties, go into compatibility, and then you're going to click on to disable full screen optimizations here, and then click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on Black Myth Wukong, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity of game files on Black Myth Wukong. When you do that, it will verify your game's files, and once it's done with that, now you can go ahead and launch your game, and you will not get that error anymore. If you're still getting that error, try to turn down your video settings. So just turn down the resolution or any graphics settings if you can, and you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.